Okay, yeah, so let's start. I'm starting the live session right now. By the way, today I'm thinking to cover the sum of the topic which I have started so far. Let me show you on a Xcode. So yeah, this is the topic which is related to the topic which I am doing. It's completely same with wait. It's completely same with the topic which I have doing on the Swift playground, so you can able to see. Let me show you the some of. Okay, so yeah, I have started this binding topic so far on Swift. So this all the topics which I have completed in the Swift UI, and today I'm going to start the binding topic. So by the way, first of all, this binding topic is kind of same as this button topic which I have did it. And yeah, let me open this output so it visible to all of you, and you also going to understand what exactly and how it's work. First of all, let me see whether this voice is properly visible, or yeah, this is Mac Paint M2. Okay, so today I'm going to start the binding topic. And by the way, why the screen is lagging? Okay, now and yes, so I have started the by the way, I have started the Swift UI, and for the Swift UI, if anybody wants to learn, so they for writing the code, we are mostly using the tools called the VS Code, Visual Studio Code, for writing the code, whether you are learning the web development or or Python, C++, anything. So you can able to write the code on the, you are writing the code in VS Code. So this is the same. While when you are learning the Swift, so you have to write the code on Xcode. So Xcode is developed by the Apple developers. So yeah, first of all, on Xcode you can only able to run the Swift programming language. And let me show you the screen. By first of all, just few days ago I have completed the button topic. So over here, just I have showed you there is the different types of the button, and each and every having the different frames. When someone during the starting of the journey, whenever they try to make the button, so first the press me button, which is I have made, this is the completely beginner button look like. And this is the second button. See, while there is the big difference in the front end which is visible to you, there is the big difference in the front end over here. The first is the press me button. So it's looking completely simple, even it's not looking like a button or the something. It's looking like a hyperlink, or the link where we have where we press on it, so we're going to get some kind of the output. See, while pressing on the press me, there I'm getting the output, which is the button hashtag 1, it's click it. So okay, the second button is save, which I have made over here. You can able to see the code. Where is okay. So second button is start from here. So this is what the code for the second one. So given the title, and whenever I will press on the second button, wait, I'm pressing on the save, the second button is giving me the output as a button hashtag 2, click it. So yeah, this is the button action. So while writing the button action, whenever I will press on the button, so I am going to get some kind of the action. So this is what exactly the uses of making the button. Because in front end, whatever whether our backend is properly working or not. So our first impression is based on the front end. So front end, it is, see, design of the front end is literally matter a lot. You can able to see the difference over here. When the first button I have made, the first press me, it's looking a completely simple, and even I don't feel like that this is the button or not, because I have written over here press me, so anyone can able to understand that. Okay, so that mean we need to press over here, then we're going to get some kind of the result or the as a output. So and this second one is looking like it's looking completely, this is the button. And even while adding the shadow, there is, we can able to see the big difference over here. And the third one is also the button, but it's looking like a kind of app logo and all. And the fourth one is also the button. When I will click over here, so I'm going to get the output as of finished clicked. Okay, so we're going to get the output this. So yeah, this if I get the option to choose, so I'm going to choose the second and the fourth one, because they having the designing difference. And the reason I have given the third one this design, because I also want to learn. Let me show you one thing. Swift UI is providing the one of the best thing that we can able to add the image. See, wait, let me show you the code properly, so you're going to get it. So yeah, while pressing on the button 3, we're going to get some kind of the action. So when I will press on the button 3, I'm going to get the result button #3. So this is what the process, button, action, and then the title, whatever the action we want, so we can able to add it over there. And then I have given the shape of the circle. This is the shape of the rectangle, and then I have given the some corner radius, so that's why the shape is looking, see, this is kind of curved from here, so because of writing the corner rectangle corner radius. And then now see, we can able to give the colors, and then width, height, shadow is having the big difference. See, let me remove the shadow from here, and you're going to see there is a big changes. See, after removing the shadow, this is literally not looking like a button. So this is how each and every details and the things matter a lot. So let me remove this right now, and then you can able to see the shadow. And yeah, this is what exactly the difference of importance of adding the shadow and this all the different things. And then what I was talking about this, yeah, the Swift UI providing the best feature that we can able to add in the code a multiple types of the images over here. Just writing the image and the style, images system name, and then whatever kind of the image you want, you can able to add it over here. But what exactly the problem is, you have to know the name of each and every images. So mostly what I do, I take the images on the Google and then ask the name, and after that I search that name in the Swift UI, and then I get it as output. So this is what entire the process is, if you know the name of the images properly. So this is good to add. And then yes, and the large title for background color red. Yeah, so see, I can able to change the image color according to my choice. See, over here just I given the heart field in a red color, so I can able to change it in yellow. And yeah, so that changes you're going to see. And after that, let we talk about this fourth one. So what is the fourth one? The button having some action, and then if you press the button, so it's important that I'm pressing the some button, so I need some output, whether I'm switch on the fan, so then fan will start, I will switch off the fan, and then the fan will close. This is what I'm going to get the some result after pressing the button. So this is what exactly the working of button in Swift. So this is the topic which I have covered, and now I'm starting the new topic that is called the binding. And so let me read entire code, what is and the working of the code is, and then we will move on another topic. By the way, one of my favorite topic in the Swift UI is which one is that? Yeah, scroll view. This is the topic when I learned first time in the Swift UI, and I was like, yeah, this is amazing. Let me show you. Yeah, you can able to see we can able to scroll this. It's kinda, if you are the advanced also, it's kinda very basic and the beginning for you, like very basic for you, but if I talk about myself, so it's completely new and strange. It's looking like I can able to scroll same as when we are making any website, and we want to make it properly scrolling, and also while writing everything on the code, we can able to make this done. I was literally, when I was not aware about this all the features, and I think about it, how the peoples are adding this all the things, how they making pages to that anyone is scrolling, same as our I can say the page, normal page, Wikipedia and all, everything we just scroll as a slide. And this is what I learned. I can able to scroll this in a horizontal and as well as in a vertical way. What is the reason behind this and how I'm scrolling this? Because of this V stack, means the vertical stack. So in vertical way I'm scrolling this, and there are from 0 to 100 rectangle over here. So yeah, you can also able to see the slide, and now I am over here. So there I have added the 100 rectangle slides to see and make this more interactive, and I also want to learn the topic, that's why. So scroll view, horizontal, and contain edge stack, and see for each index, rounded, rectangle, this is what the shape, corner radius, and fill the color white. This is what matter a lot. Wait, and okay, wait, rectangle, corner radius. Let me arrange this properly first of all. Okay, and there are many examples we have in the same way. For first of all, example 1, everything is start from this. I have taken a very basic slide, and then I tried to scroll this. Okay, then I'm starting the topic. We move to our topic that called a pending bootcamp, and I'm going to start this topic. First of all, let me bring the charger, because the device I'm using right now, it's only a 9%. It's kind of low, so I can't able to run the live session. So let me put this on charging, and then I'm starting the topic Swift. Learned the filter, thinking to start the Swift or code. Okay, then let me bring the charger and then I will start the session. Okay, so let's start the topic. So first of all, then after, okay, where I was, after this scroll view, so yeah, after the scroll view, I just removed the color to see. First of all, I have added the fill color white, which I have removed right now. And then after removing this color, white color, the Swift UI, if you're not giving the particular color by your own, so Swift UI just randomly gave it to the black color. So that's why now the rectangle, now this rectangle is visible in a black. So yeah, it's taking the time to the load. And if we move to the another topic called, I have covered the many topics in the Swift, and each and every code, each and every the way of representing the code is kind of same as I have learned in the Swift, in a Swift in a Swift playground. So if I start every topics from the beginning, like the adding the text, so it can be done within a 4 line of not more than 8 line of the code. If I want to add, if just I want to add the text in the screen, so it can be done within a 8 line of the code. So I was started the Swift from this much, from the very beginning. Just I learned that how same when we are adding some images in the HTML, and that image is visible on a screen, on whether we are seeing the output in a VS Code using the live server, or we are seeing, or whether we are, many of are running the, during my high school I supposed to run the HTML through the notepad. So this is what exactly the process is now. So over here, when I first started learning the Swift, so wrote this I tried to write this basic code. First I learned how I can able to add the text, and then I jumped that if I want some size, if I want the size is different, if I first I have given the title, and after that I added the headline, which we write in HTML, writing the h1, and then the size will kind less than as compared to the title. And when I write the h2, then size of h2 is different, or a little less as compared to the h1. So this is what the arrangement is in our HTML. First we give the title, then headline 1, headline 2, and after that we give the paragraph. So I tried to learn same thing in the Swift as well. First I learned that what is the process, that if I wrote some code and then I want to display that code on screen. So I learned that while just writing this text, if I write over here text, then all the text will be visible on the screen. You can able to see this, like, hello guys, currently I am learning the Swift from YouTube. So this is what the simple thing can be done, just adding the text. And now after that, if we want some kind of the arrangement while placing the text, like I want this particular text in a different color, I want paragraph, I want title in red color, and then paragraph in a black color. So this thing can be done after the starting of the code. So yeah, this is what I have learned during when I just started the Swift. And now I'm thinking to not thinking it's important to start the if topic, which I have already covered in the Swift playground. So first of all, let me check whether I have made the file of for the if topic or not. So I can't see any file. So okay, let me do one thing. First of all, let me make a file, new empty file for the if topic, and let's see the how if topic is kind of different, and with the help of if topic what can be done over here on screen. So let's make the file. So first of all, let me learn this concept. And yeah, I have a question to all of you. What is your stack and which stack you are learning right now? Don't forget to let me know in the comment section, like what is your stack, and if you are working on any project, so which tools you are using to make that project into the reality. Please let me know in the comment section. And currently I am starting the if topic and Swift UI, and after that I will move for the for and if else, this all the statement which is I have already covered in the Swift playground. I mean, many of you are know who is watching my streaming for very long, I mean from very long days, so they already know what exactly the Swift playground is, where we can able to cover the basic Swift topics or from the Swift playground. And then is helpful if anyone want to learn the basic from the beginning. So after understanding the concept, we can able to move to the advanced lecture. So at least we going to understand what exactly happening in a code. So okay, for now I'm starting the if else topic first. After the if, then if else topic in the Swift, and then we will move further. And yeah, please let me know in the comment section what all of you are doing right now, so it's going to help me to know the algorithm. What it's currently it's 11:53, so almost everyone started their day, and even many of you are decided that what you have to do and how you want to make your 16 November usable. So don't waste it, use your time properly. And now I'm going to start this if topic. So I'm just muting myself because there is background voice kind of interrupting. So once this topic completed, so I will explain you that what I have did it over here. And I wish, and I also supposed to, that you all of you are also utilizing your time very properly, because it's very important to give your time on something to learn from the, doesn't matter from whether you are starting the any topic from the basic and all, but just give your proper attention to the things that you likes to do, whether it's anything, just give your time for it. Okay, so okay, for now let me back to the topic, and once it's done, then I'm going to explain the what I have did it over there.